Hi guys, this is Amazing Guy named Michael, and today I'm going to be growing the February plantings. So let's get started. So I have three things, as I told you a couple weeks ago. Got broad beans, lettuce, and basil. Basil in here, so it's got probably like 5-6 plants in here. Not too big, not too small. And then I got 3 pots for lettuce. It'll be a pot of seed, maybe like 2 or 3 seeds in a pot, and then just in case. And for broad beans, we'll put 2 seeds in each hole. So let's get started with the broad beans then. So, what we're going to do first is we are going to put the soil in here. You want to put it so it's not like awfully high, but it's not awfully low. So you want it to be like right at the top, so you can still like push it down a bit. So that should be good. Then we're going to get the broad bean seeds. Not going to open too much, and then I can use these maybe next year as well, because there's a lot in here, so I won't use all of these. So that might be enough. So we're going to do 2 in each, just in case one doesn't sprout. And just in case 2 doesn't sprout, it'll be loads. So don't need to worry about if there's not a pot which is sprouted. We don't need to worry if there's 2 in one, because that's a good thing. It'll just mean we'll have to transplant it earlier. So yeah, I've done a perfect count. Then we are going to add the soil on top of it. And we are going to put it on top, and then cover it all, so you make sure you can't see anymore. Push it down, then bring it over here. And I did get a new water pump, so I'm going to spray gentle. Then that's done, broad beans done. Now I'm going to do the lettuce. So we're going to fill up the lettuce. So we'll do one at a time. So that is done for that pot. Then for this pot, we are going to do up to the top. And final pot, we're going to do the same. All the way to the top. Now we're going to open the lettuce pack. And has it got the packet inside? Yes, has. Not opening. So I've already opened it. So I'm going to put probably like 5 seeds in each pot. So we get quite a lot in there. I don't know how big they grow, but this is how big it shows it grows. So that should be enough for all of them. That's probably more than 5. Definitely is. That's more than 5. But I'm probably going to put like 15. And then I'm going to put some soil on top. Push it down. Then a bit more soil on top of this one. Then I'm going to put a bit more soil on top of this one. And thank you guys for watching for part 1. And I'm going to be growing the basil in part 2, and these two will be separate videos. So I'll try and upload them in the same week, so they get like a good amount of time. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe.